Question number 60. 60th, no?
Yes, sir.
A question paper on mathematics and statistics contains 10 questions, divided into two groups of 5 each. Means there are 5 questions in each group. In how many ways can an examinee select 6 questions, taking at least 2 questions from each group? कम से कम कितने लेने पड़ेंगे? कम से कम 2 लेने पड़ेंगे ना?
Yes, sir.
So you have availability, say group 1 and group 2 and total. Here 5, 5 and 10. Total here 2. This is available, this is required. You have to take 6.
Yes.
Now 6 you can take anyway, but you have to take minimum 2.
Yes.
So you complete the range of 1. Suppose you take here 2, you cannot take less than 2. You take 4 here, then 3, then 4, 2. Okay, so this is A, B, C. Now A is equal to 5C2 into 5C4. B is 5C3 into
5C3.
and C is
5C4
into 5C2. This 5C2 is 10 and 5, 50. This is 10 into 10, 100. And this is 5 into 10, 50. Total 200 years. Okay. Now,
Yes, sir.
see here. 61. An examination paper consists of questions divided into 2 parts, part A and part B. Part A contains 7 questions and part B contains 5 questions. So there are total 12 questions.
Yes.
A candidate is required to answer 8, at least 3 from each part. In how many ways? In how many maximum ways can the candidate select? Now same similar sum. It is part A and part B, 7 and 5. Total 12. This is available. Okay.
Yes.
How much you want?
At least 3 questions from each part.
Total how much you have to select?
8.
8. 3 from here and 5 from here.
Yes.
Then 4, 4. And then
5,
5, 3. Isn't it?
3. Yes.
This is A, B and C. 7C3 into 5C5 plus 7C4 into
5C4
plus
7C5 into 5C3.
7C3
35.
7C3 will be 4 into 7C4
35.
35 into 1 plus 35 into 5 plus 21 into 10. Isn't it? This is 21
Yes, sir.
and this is 10. So 35 into 1, 35 plus
175.
plus 210 is equal to how many ways?
420.
420 ways. Okay. There are 3 sections in a question paper. 62. 3 sections containing 5 questions each. A candidate has to solve any 5 questions, choosing what? At least one from each section. There are 3 sections and each section is containing 5. You have to select 5 and you have to select at least one from each. How many ways you can do it? See here. This will be A, B, C and total. 5, 5, 5 and 15. Na?
Yes.
You have to select 5. Now you have to select at least one from here. So if you select 1, then remaining is 4.
Yes.
You cannot have 0, 4. Why?
Because addition.
So you can have 1, 3,
Yes.
2, 2,
Yes. 2.
3, 1.
3.
This is 1 is over.
Yes.
Then you can have 2 from here.
Yes.
The remaining is 3. So you can have 1, 2 and
2. 1.
2, 1. Okay. If you select 3 here, then
1. 1.
that's it.
Yes.
So this is A, B, C, D, E, F. Now what will be A here? A का क्या आएगा आंसर देखो 5C1 is 5 5 into 5
Into 5.
5 into 5 is 10 sorry 5 25 25 into 10
250.
this will be 250 ways है ना
Yes.
then B this is 5 this is 10
Yes.
5C1 is 5 5C2 is 10 and 5C2 is 10 10 into 10 into
100 into
5 so it will be
500.
500 okay 5 into 1 5 again 10
5.
5
250.
250 again okay then
500.
100 10 5 and 10 500 no
Yes.
then 10 10 and 5 again 500
And 250.
and then 10 into 5 into 5 250 total it what is the answer
Yes.
2250 write it you know it 5C1 is 5 5C2 is 10 5C3 is also 10 5C4 is 5 and 5C5 is 1 and 5C0 is also 1 okay
Yes, sir.
hmm?
Yeah.
Start with $63rd. A bag contains mixture of 8 1 rupee coin, 6 50 paise coin and 4 20 paise coins. So total there are 8 plus 6 18 coins. In how many ways can selection of 3 coins be made such that you have all 3 rupee coin, 1 coin of each denomination, none is a rupee coin. See here, you have 1 rupee coin,
50 paisa.
50 paise coin and 20 paise coin. You have 1 rupee coin, 50 paise coin and 20 paise coin. How many are 1 rupee coin?
8.
Then you have 6.
4.
Now you have to select how much total 18 coins. You have to select 3.
3.
You want all 1 rupee, no?
Yes.
तो ये 3 होगा ना?
Yes.
तो all 1 rupee क्या होगा?
8.
will be 8C3. That is 56 ways. One of each. Huh?
Yes.
One of each type. That is 8C1 into 6C1 into,
40.
that is 8 into 6 into, कितना होगा?
92.
192. And then
None of the rupee coin.
none of the rupee coin. Rupee coin नहीं चाहिए ना?
Yes.
तो rupee coin नहीं चाहिए तो इन दोनों में से कितनी चाहिए? 3 चाहिए ना?
Yes.
तो 10C3. रुपी नहीं चाहिए ना, तो बाकी इधर तो कुछ भी चलेगा. You can have what? You don't want rupee coin, no?
Yes.
So this, out of this 10, any 3 will do.
Yes.
So none is rupee, no?
Yes.
बाकी सब में से एक ही लेना चाहिए, ऐसा कुछ बोला नहीं उसने. That is 10C3.
Yes.
10C3 क्या होगा? 120. चेक करना, देखो 6, 4, 8 है कि नहीं?
Yes.
18 है.
Yes.
0 चाहिए तो 0 3 आएगा.
Yes.
3 0
Yes.
1 2
Yes.
2 1 है ना. 0 3 1 2 2 1 3 0 है ना.
Yes.
हाँ, ये क्या आएगा? 4C3 is 4
Yes.
है ना. 6C3 is 20.
20.
Then 6C1 20 into 1 there. 6C1 is 6. 4C2 is 6.
Yes.
So 36.
Yes.
And 6C2 is
15.
15. And 4 into 1 is 4. So 60. Total all this. And then I say. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then Sixty-fourth. In a multinational company, 3 branches are in a particular country are managed by 3 branches in a particular country are managed by 4, 5 and 8 persons respectively. First branch is managed by 4. Second is managed by 3 branches are managed by 4, 5 and 8 persons. In how many ways can 20 persons be allotted to these आदमी लोग है ना. So how to allocate? See, now this kind of problems are done this way. You have to allocate
20%.
allocate for first branch. First branch के लिए allocate करोगे तो क्या होगा? 20C4 है ना.
Yes.
Then allocate for
Second.
second branch.
20C5.
No, 16C5. क्योंकि 4 चले गए ना इसमें.
हाँ,
4 चले गए तो 16 बच गए ना. एंड थर्ड ब्रांच के लिए क्या allocate करोगे?
11C.
11C8. Don't try to calculate it. It is 20C4 into 16C5 into 11C8 bus. Okay.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sixty-fifth. Find out the number of ways in which a cricket team consisting of 11 players can be selected out of 14 players. Also find out in how many of these will include a particular player. See, total available कितने हैं?
Total number 14.
14. Select
11.
11. So that is 14 0. 14 factorial upon 11 3 factorial ना, so 13 into 14
182.
364 is ना. A particular player is included, so एक पर्टिकुलर प्लेयर को लेंगे ही. हाँ, अगर एक पर्टिकुलर प्लेयर को लेंगे ही तो हमारे पास होते कितने आदमी अब 13. You have to select 13C 10. That is 13 factorial upon
286.
कितना
286.
26. ओके. अ पर्टिकुलर प्लेयर इज ऑलवेज इंक्लूडेड. तो एक प्लेयर को हम पकड़ लेंगे, वो हमेशा कितने में होगा 286 केसेस में होगा वो. ओके.
Yes, sir. That's it.
There are 15 points in a plane. Now this is interesting. There are how many points?
Sir, question number 66.
66. Okay. A cricket team of 11 players is to be formed from 16 players, no?
Yes, sir.
Including 4 bowlers and 2 wicket keepers. तो टोटल 16 प्लेयर्स हैं, उसमें 4 बॉलर है और 2 विकेट कीपर है. इन हाउ मेनी वेज, डिफरेंट वेज कैन अ टीम बी फॉर्म्ड सो दैट द टीम कंसिस्ट ऑफ एट लीस्ट 3 बॉलर्स एंड एट लीस्ट 1 विकेट कीपर. 2 बार एटलीस्ट आया. कितने हैं लोग टोटल टीम में? क्या है, कितने लोग हैं? बॉलर्स,
Bowlers 4.
विकेट कीपर, अदर्स,
Yes.
है ना?
Yes.
कितने बॉलर्स? 4.
4.
2 विकेट कीपर है
10 others.
और 10 है, 16 है ना टोटल.
Yes. Yes, sir.
नाउ वी हैव टू फॉर्म अ टीम ऑफ हाउ मच?
11 players.
11 चाहिए. अब 11 में क्या तकलीफ है बताओ? क्या तकलीफ है 11 में हमको?
सर, उसमें एटलीस्ट 3 बॉलर सिलेक्ट करने हैं और एक विकेट.
नहीं, कहा 3 बॉलर ना.
यस.
तो सपोज 3 बॉलर लिए हमने
यस.
और 1 विकेट कीपर लिया,
यस.
तो बाकी कितने बचेंगे?
7.
यहाँ पे 7 लेंगे ना. चलो 3 बॉलर लिए और फिर
2 विकेट.
2 विकेट कीपर लिया, तो यहाँ पे कितने बचेंगे? 6. हाँ, अब हम 4 बॉलर लेते हैं. हाँ, और 1 ही विकेट कीपर लेते हैं.
यस.
6 चलेगा ना.
यस, सर.
फिर 4 बॉलर लेते हैं और
2 विकेट.
2 विकेट कीपर लेते हैं और 5. बस, और तो कुछ नहीं हो सकता ना. दिस इज ए, बी, सी एंड डी. 4C3 4, 2C1 2, 4 into 2. दिस विल बी हाउ मेनी वेज? अच्छा, देन 10C7.
120.
तो क्या आ गया ये सर? फर्स्ट ए वाला ऐसा करने का. 4 into 2 into
120.
120, दैट इज
960.
960. ओके. सेकेंड बी 4C3
4
into
2C2
2C2 into
into 10.
4C3 is 4 into 2C2 is 1, 10C6
Yes.
7 8 9 10,
210.
210 is equal to again 840.
Yes.
C is 4C4 into 2C1 into
10C6.
10C6. 10C6, this is 1 into 2 into, तो कितना आएगा? 420. And D is what? 4C4 into 2C2 into, that is 1 into 1. 10C5 will be how much?
252.
252. So add what? This
2472.
Okay.
Yes.
Hmm?